Listen, me get six, so me get mad. And if they catch me a party, 100 shots in a fire, gonna have a king me and everybody who me a power with. I'll make sure so we get catch. I'll make sure so we get catch. Like the fire first on this night again. We don't want to tell you to come over here every day and the bomb buckler time. Turn the camera real quick. Come here, take up something. I want to see. Come here, hide the stashes is. Because you can't see the money hiding. You can notice on our thief. See me? When you send money in the house, come kill me. You see me? I said? Yeah. We say, I'm sure they go on. Oprah, restart! So Oprah, me there, you know, Oprah, me, I watch them, you know. Oprah, them, I got up on now. I drink money, see me. I tell me, say, as a promoter, I say, here you star, you know, half a day every Monday night. And I say, I get to people my blood clot party with. Get to people so me no in I look up uptown party and everything. When we go uptown party, I can't enjoy myself because man in there most of a man like who fuck man. If you don't park your son in drive fast, I see that car. He was fuck side and dog. He not in a 7 car with the girl. I'm trying to get the girl number again. Then this you understand. That's your buckle on my phone, this stuff. And them thing there. Yeah, tell them the man that's the girl them, that's why the girl them out there. And we are getting so much girl nowadays. Because who know out there so now, you have got fat. What they are doing? Man, socks was socks in the pen. What do you call it, right? Are you perfect? No, the word. Sock impress. You know impress. Man, pussy club. Dog, one time we look on 3 dogs. You know what? Come on. Like they see, 3 dogs from New York. Like they see, say, some buckler fall over but hold it. And I trail him in like come on about him. And the man them harder one, mouth of blood clot. Tell me now. Yeah, just our sons. Tell me now. Our sons who are going for the food watch. 2 bills. When you privilege of the 2 bills. No, you tell me now, 3 months turn up this and then go buy 6 buckler moment. And when them are left, they have to throw everything left. Tell me so they don't vex. Unless they sleep on their mama couch and they sleep on people bed, but they don't vex.
And then that's another son we love man. But if I pay back to their grandson, they don't even make no money. They might make people and now I carry themselves. I never do see them. I don't do each is what it is. Some people just like responsible.
We said so boom. I'm here watching again in the dark. A man go over there so. And he take off his blood clot chain. You watch. He said so. I'm mostly that triple Thursday go on. Dog picking watch. Mix down like that. I just love when Africans shame them. Africans say, hold on. Can I talk with you in the box? If we're doing this big, let's do it big. You know what? And he said so. Turn out, he said no more 20, man. No more 20. Let's go 100. Yeah. Let's go 100. And when Africans start put out, you know. So when I say African, we don't have blood clot, whatever you have in the car, what are them up there? Hey! Africans say no. No. this big bit. So now me, to respect you as a sheller, in South Africa like a pussy. Anyway, Africa touch. You know when I want to start the money pull up, man. Smurf. Anyway, Africa touch. They don't want to start with the money pull up. Because Africa need 4 pockets full enough. Brother. Anyway, they go and they say Africa they know the money pull up. Remember me tell you that. I'm witness that with me yacht over Florida, yeah. Over Florida, yeah. When Africa walk in a party, no more than the money pull up. African remind me of raw cash. Rest in peace to me general. African remind me of raw cash. African walking a party boy. Me says so. You was spent tonight. Yeah. Me have money. But me not size up with Africa. Africa have money. Me have money. Yo, brother, they might have their money. Me have money, you know. Yeah. African are G. See me? They want their G. See me? Next general will take them up and growing up for it. They want them G. You see me? Yeah. You know, man, African, they go with them. They want their money, man. Man, just tell me, say, oh, that father for 4 days for the weekend. And I said to mama, wake up to blood clot and rub me eye. And food, we see front of me to blood clot. Knocky saltfish, dumpling, banana, yam. I said, look at this. Man, I'm chef in that blood clot goes up if you're 3 meal, let me go up, man, there you would. I'm just a sweet in a pool. They might dry me off. When I might call me on a yacht one day, dog, and say, here, just want to talk to you. Meet me certain time. Over the dog. Motivate. I tell you, man. Yeah, man. Big money talk. Anyone who look a broke pocket boy where you see me in a bar, they're going to talk about what hero you're at. I'm going to say, it's a I'm going to do it for your top down. That's true. No, I really talk. I'm going to do it for my top down. Anytime you say hero, where you drink, I'm going to say, it's a speed. They can't buy me. Listen to me, don't ask me nothing. They have a page. Now fuck them and don't type my real name for the line. Don't follow Lava. Don't me may have nothing. Lava in our life, you know. Don't me may have nothing them a page. Don't me have nothing. Don't follow nothing. Now fuck Lava. You see me? You see, I don't know the red camera icon and it's us done. Camera icon of a G. $6 check. Charlie Glass, Jenny. No, we can't swim about for me after what you want. You can extra speed me a drink. Or poet. Akeem is a nice name. Listen to me. My name is from Africa. Tell your tribe. I'm African. Cuban, African, Jamaican. Tommy alone can come here. Only Tommy alone can call me act. I like act better. No, you can't call me act. Only Tommy can call me act. You cannot do it. You cannot call me act. Only Tommy alone can call me act. Go walk on the beach. If you didn't watch me snapping up from your Snapchat, your lips still on the pussy, you send up on Snapchat on the spot, the face, I send it. Last time we just go take a walk on the beach and just meet a white girl and me and her just have sexualism on the surface. Yeah, she was running and she said, what are you smoking? I'm like, talking, this is a new strain. Pure rocks. And she said, oh my God, can I have some? And I give her some. And she started kissing my neck and we make love on the beach and sex. King Knox, we don't want you over me snap. You ever not post up about snap, don't ask about snap. I want me snap him again. World underscore dog. Stop. I don't lie, me a lie. Big man thing. Yo, Chromaz, where you there? Where you there, Chromaz? Nabaya. Yo, where you there? Nabaya ticket, Chromaz. Where you there? We know your first name is Andre. Where you there? Nabaya ticket, come make an experience further. Where you are? Yo, where you are? Andre, where you there? Yeah. I don't want to. Just want to get right to the check book. I want to. I don't want to overshare that. I don't know for that. And the sister, she's stressed out. I want somebody to talk to. She don't talk to me in the backyard. Where you there? I'm not lying. Alright. What buckets my beats and she said, oh, TNT. No, I want to stop self-fuck. I'm not self-fuck again, Abba. Them a girl nowadays, I want to stop self-fuck. I'm in love, Abba. I'm in love, Abba. I'm in love, Abba. I find love, Abba. Abba, I'm in love. Abba, I was lost, but now I found. Abba, play one song. Let me feel like I do. Abba, I was lost. But now I found. No, I'm really stressed yesterday. I'm happy now. Go away. I'm sure you're happy.